Welcome to Books and Cooks at the North Russian Hills Library, hosted by me, Isabella. Today's sweet treat is a pumpkin spice latte cake, originally baked by the one and only Martha Stewart. I was given this recipe by our lovely Phyllis. She always brings a warm and friendly smile to any conversation. I'll let you in on a little secret. This is one of her favorite fall recipes. She found it a few years ago in a Martha Stewart magazine edition, and loves to make it for her friends and family. From Phyllis and I, we hope you enjoy. Now, to jump right in. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Butter a 9x2 inch round cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment. If you're making cupcakes, line the tin with cupcake liners. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of instant espresso powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. In another bowl, whisk 2 large eggs into the pumpkin puree. Then whisk 1 stick of melted unsalted butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, as well as 1/2 cup light brown sugar, and 2/3 cup of room temperature whole milk. Once you have the dry and wet ingredients, whisk them together until they are a smooth consistency. Now scrape the batter into the prepared pan and gently put it in the oven. Bake until the top springs back when lightly touched. It's usually about 35 to 40 minutes. If you're making cupcakes, I found that they only take 20 minutes instead of a full 40. See you in a jiff! When your cake is perfectly baked for you, carefully take it out and let cool in the pan on a wire rack for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes has passed, turn out onto the rack and let cool completely. This usually takes about 2 hours. Right before you are ready to serve this delectable dish, whisk 1 1/2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar until soft peaks form. When you're ready, dollop on the top of the cake and dust with espresso powder. Serve immediately for smiles all around the table. Thank you so much for joining us today on Books and Cooks at the North Russian Hills Library. For further festive treats, I recommend Summer Berries and Autumn Fruits by Annie Rigg. You can find it on the second floor of the library or place it on hold through our online catalog. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.